Spelling. What is that? What is that?
Cow.
No, what letter? Okay.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
W.
And what is that? You read.
Cow.
Oh, what is that? Oh, next more. Wow, you have star. Oh, all that one is luck. Oh, ako? Ikaw lang ah. You spell naman ah kasi. Oh, what spell?
Bat.
Oh, what letter?
Bat.
Oh, what letter is that?
B.
Oh, what letter the next?
A.
Oh, what letter the next? What letter is that?
A.
What letter? Look at if J that one.
College.
No? What letter?
Ba.
I know, but I want to know what letter this. That is not J.
Mommy say P.
No, I want you. No, no one help you. You know, you need to learn. Oh, what is that? Okay. You. Oh, the read. If you have a cross, its mean is T, not J. Oh, spell. What letter?
M.
Eh? Lobat. Lalobat. Kulebet. Sorry.
Nabasag. Nabasag.
Binasag mo. Hindi mo na yan malaro.
Hindi nabasag. Hindi, hindi lang. Hindi nag-many.
Yehey. No heb. No heb na. Nilobat na naman. Nalobat siya. Manusuklim, may isang Coke mismo. Coke mismo, na mismo. Hi guys. Hi my one only. My one only. It's broke. To the place. It's Lion. Lion. My zodiac sign. West Virginia. Mount Mama. Take me home. Far away. Take me home to the place. 23, 20, 23, 24, 25, 25, 30, 50. To Mama, hi guys. Today it's a rainy day. It's my zodiac sign. This is my zodiac sign, guys. It's a lion. Lion. It's a lion. Lion. But something wrong. I cannot fix it because hi. Sana all. To the place. Mahal lang ito. This is my egg. Look the egg. The eyes. Down the road, take me home to the place